Feels good today. Feels good today. Okay, hold on. I gotta get my camera steady. So, hold on a second. You know there's radiation in milk. Next time it probably, radiation in chicken eggs. Oh, this shit is hard to go down. You know, I've been talking about you, Shay. Man, I don't get it. They say you cause drama. Drama is drama. But when you see, let's go in my room. Every time I change the room all the time, dude, it just drives me crazy. Yeah. See, I had cigarettes everywhere up in this room over the years, and you can look. Check this out. I'm gonna show you something really cool. When you walk in here, see, watch. I'll be real still. That's cool, ain't it? Yeah, that's cool. Well, people ask me why I haven't been making a lot of videos, because I've been playing on that game, and I've been bored. I'm ready. Man, guess what? Now I can't find my fucking lighter. Hold on a second. Yeah, and also I changed up my bedroom. Check it out. Put my DVD, put all that stuff over here, and yeah.